What? What's wrong, little dog?
He says he brought a friend home. Hello, hello! Haha! I'm the little dog's friend.
Oh, his name is Mad. Nice to meet you, Mad. Whoa, but what big teeth you have.
I came to play with the little dog. Do you want to play with me? I want to play too.
Perfect, sounds super fun. Let's play.
Alright, first you have to organize all these little bones.
We're going to put all these little bones right in here. Whoa, there are so many! And here we have a bunch of little cards that will tell us which bone we have to take out. Let's shuffle these cards. All set, and we're going to take out the little bones with these tweezers.
Now you have to put me to sleep.
We'll lay it back.
Now we have to take out the little bones before the little dog wakes up. Woof, woof, woof! Mel, can I go first?
Of course, Patty.
Great!
Let's see, Patty. What card do you get? You have to take out a yellow bone.
Piece of cake! Mel, will you help me?
Of course, Patty. Careful. Careful. Don't wake up the dog.
There it is! There it is!
Oh! Yes! We did it! A yellow bone!
Now it's your turn, puppy.
Woof, 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 woof! Let's see what you get. Whoa! 3 white bones! Don't worry, I'll help you. Woof, woof, woof! Let's see, let's see. Here! Oops, no, this one's blue. This one. 1. Oh! What happened? Did he wake up? Oh, that's scary. Ah!
Ha ha ha! You lost! You lost! You woke me up! Oh, what a scare!
That's why you're called Mad! Because you're a very mad dog! Whoa, puppy, I think you lost! Oof, oof.
You can play again! Let's play again! Yes, Mel, let's play again! And now you start!
I start? Oh, okay.
Remember, you have to put me to sleep.
Alright, we're gonna push you back. Ready? He's all sleepy.
And now you need to pick a card. Let's see what you get.
Alright, I'm picking a card. I have to get 2 white bones. 2 bones. Here we have the... but I didn't even touch it. Oh, this is so hard. Let's see. Here's another one. Yes, a bone. Oh, there are so many white bones here. Come on, be careful.
Ha ha ha! You lost again! Ha 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 ha!
But you gave me such a scare.
Yes, this game is so hard. You lost to me! Ha ha ha!
Hey, I want a rematch.
Alright. Let's play one more time. Ha ha! Patty's winning so far. Oh, yes, I'm winning! Ha ha, I'm winning!
You'll see, Patty, I'm going to beat you.
We'll see about that. Ha ha ha!
Let's put the dog to sleep. And it's your turn to pick a card, doggy. Come on, let me help you. Let's see. Oh no! This is so hard! The dog has to get 3 yellow bones.
Oh no, doggy! I think you already lost! Oof, oof, oof.
Don't worry, doggy, I'll help you. Here we have 2 yellow bones. Come on. We just need 3. I can't. Oh, it's so hard. Careful. Yes, we got our first bone!
Yes!
Two more! Yes! One more bone! Come on!
We can do it!
Yes!
We did it! We got all 3 yellow bones!
Good job, puppy!
Oh! Come on, Mel, help me pick a card.
Let's see what you get, Patty.
Oh, I'm so nervous.
Dun 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 dun! Oh no!
Whoa! Looks like I'm lucky. Ha ha ha!
Patty has to get one little blue bone. It's just one little blue bone. I see it here. Come on!
Oh, yes! Ha ha ha! I told you I didn't lose. Now it's your turn, Mel. Ha ha ha!
Let's hope it's not something too difficult, please. Ta-da-da-dun! A red bone. Sleep, doggy. Let me get a red bone. Oh, there it goes. Yes, hard. No, it fell. Come on, again, quick. Yes, a red bone.
Woof, 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 woof. Now it's my turn. Ha ha ha! Yes!
Whoa, a bit complicated.
Oh no!
2 blue bones. Be careful. 1. Be careful. Oh, he woke up. No. There it goes. Oh. Yes, Patty, we did it. Come on, doggy, it's your turn. Woof, 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 woof. The doggy has to get... No! 3 red bones. I'll help you. Woof, woof, woof. Here we have the first one. Yes, the first one. The second one is down here. Oh, no. It's stuck here. Oh, come on. Yes. Oh, yeah, I thought he was going to wake up. One more. Here it is. Ha ha.
Ha!
Oh, doggy, you lost.
Woof, woof, woof! The undisputed winner is Patty! I won! I never lose! Yes, I love this game! Hi, friends! I hope you like the video! Don't forget to give it a mega like and subscribe to the channel! See you in the next video! Bye!